friends, we are solving grade 9 second chapter polynomials NCERT solution of the CBSE board. We are solving all exercise of this chapter. Exercise 2.1. We have already solved the question number 1, 2, 3. The link is in the description. Let's solve the question number 4 with the concept. So question number 4 is that write the degree of each of the following polynomials. First of all, let's check what is meant by the degree of the polynomial. So for a polynomial in more than one variable, the sum of the powers of the variables in each term or the highest sum obtained is called as the degree of the polynomial. Means if there are more than one variables are there, we supposed to add the powers. Let's check with the question of this question. Here first example is that 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Here you can see the degree of the x is 1, 2 and the 3. So we can observe that the highest degree of the x is what? 3, and therefore the degree is the 3. This is a very important concept and very easy concept as we are learning this in the grade 9, but we have this concept till grade 12. You have the question of the degree in the board exam, grade 12 board exams also. So learn it properly. Let's move to the second example. 4 minus y square. Here variable is the y and the highest power of the y is what? 2. So that is the highest power is called as the degree. So degree is what? 2. Let's move to the next third. 5t minus 7. So here nothing power written on the top on here with the t. So it is considered to be what? 1. And therefore the degree is 1. Now fourth example, this is the constant term. So any variable you can consider. So this can be either 3x raised to 0, but x raised to 0 or any number raised to 0 is always what? 1, and therefore the degree is what? 0. So keep on watching the channel and subscribe with your friends. Subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.